Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig review is brought to you by the Nicy Hair store from Amazon. They were nice enough to send me this wonderful human hair orange T-part wig at 12 inches long. It is 13 by 6 by 1. It is a gorgeous ginger orange color. I am in love with it. So this is the basic cap construction. It does come with the T-part, the 13 by 6 by 1. It comes with 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. This cap is transparent and it is pre-plucked. Let's jump into the install. Okay, so I'm just going to be doing a glueless install today using my wig grip band. So no glue, no gel, just to see how this wig install looks. So I did do a little bit more pre-plucking across the front. Also, I took out some baby hairs. Not the best with baby hair, so I'm definitely still in practice mode with that, but you guys stay tuned just to see how this install turned out.
Run me down, them run me down. Count me out, them count me out. Hold it down, me hold it down. One man, me hold it down. Cool it down, me cool it down. Catch the flight, then touch the sky, and catch the vibe, then feel the high, then feel the high, then touch the sky. It's a real bad move when you sneak up on them and they can't see you coming. Man, a real bad man, you cannot say anywhere for me. Simmer down, hear my story now. You can hold me down, grace to glory now. Man, a holy man, truly man, unruly man. They can't defeat the man now. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby. Settle down, I'm still the man, I'm on the man. They want the man, I'm still the man, I'm on the man. Cool me down, I got this town, I run this town, I'm on the man, they want the man. They can't hold me down. Bad man, I'll be forever. They can't stop me now. Hasta la vista, baby. Run me down, them run me down. Count me out, them count me out. Hold it down, me hold it down. One man, me hold it down. Cool it down, me cool it down.
Okay, at this point, you guys, I realized that the hot comb that I was using was not getting the bends out. So I went in and got my flat iron and it did the job. Well done. I got majority of those bends out, so it looks much more like it should, like the bob I wanted. And this is my end result, you guys. Look how gorgeous it is. I did a pretty good job with this. Like I said, I'm not fantastic with the baby hairs, but I think I did a pretty good job. I can always go back in and play with it more, pluck it more. But this is a gorgeous unit. It is my first human hair unit, actually. So definitely look in the description box and check out the purchase link where I got this wig from the Nicy store at Amazon.com. Wear this wig all season long, you guys, all season long. You can't go wrong with ginger. You can't go wrong with ginger. This is as gorgeous as it gets. Well, this is the end of my review, you guys. Remember to hit that like button, that subscribe button if you guys want to see more content, and comment down on the comments and let me know what you think about this unit, you guys. All right, you guys, have a blessed day.